Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to sell USDT in Blofin. This tutorial is designed to provide you with a step-by-step approach to selling USDT in Blofin. Firstly, you need to create an account on the Blofin platform if you have not already done so. This involves providing some basic information such as your email address and password, and then verifying your account through the email sent to you by Blofin. Once you have created and verified your account, you need to deposit USDT into your Blofin account. To do this, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section of the platform. Click on USDT, and then click on Deposit. You will be provided with a USDT deposit address which you can use to transfer USDT from an external wallet to your Blofin account. After depositing USDT into your Blofin account, you can proceed to sell it. To do this, navigate to the Trade or Exchange section of the platform, and then select the USDT market you want to trade in. You can then enter the amount of USDT you want to sell and the price at which you want to sell it. The platform will then match your sell order with a corresponding buy order, and the transaction will be executed. It is also important to note that Blofin charges a small transaction fee for selling USDT on its platform. The fee is usually a percentage of the transaction amount, and it varies depending on the type of account you have and your trading volume. In addition to selling USDT for other cryptocurrencies, you can also sell it for fiat currency on the Blofin platform. To do this, you need to navigate to the Fiat section of the platform. Select the USDT market you want to trade in, and then enter the amount of USDT you want to sell and the price at which you want to sell it. Finally, it is essential to ensure that your account is secure and that you are using the platform responsibly. This involves using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious when clicking on links or providing sensitive information. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully sell USDT on the Blofin platform. Remember to always do your own research and stay up to date with the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market to make informed investment decisions.